With the ridge the dirt kept opening. Not empty, layer, not silent, ring. I tilted my face, and the night became architecture. Three arches of impossible patience. I was small enough to understand. And as we soused, the snow held blue after midnight. My breath kept leaving me in pale receipts. The Milky Way bent once, then again, then once more. A triple arch zone over the mountains. And zodiacal light climbed the black like a quiet fire. No billboard could survive that width, no doctrine could contain it. The stones were colder than language, the pine smelled sharp as struck glass. I stood there with my animal pulse, trying not to reduce the sky to adjectives. How do you look at scale this clean and keep pretending your life is central? How does the chest stay closed when the dark is this full of doors? Triple arch over me, triple arch over me. Make my little fear a weather pattern. Triple arch over me, triple arch over me. Turn my mouth to light and meter. Oh, 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 I can hear the heavens lean. Oh, 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 I am smaller than serene. Somewhere above the auroral math and magnet shame, the solar wind was running 5-110 kilometers each second. Invisible violence, invisible caress, particles crossing the dark like urgent script. And down here my blood kept Jordan every time. One